offline events. If you haven't heard of these, you need to stay tuned because it's going to help you with both your attribution and also the way that you optimize your campaigns to get a better result. So basically what offline events will do is match up the conversions that you can't attribute through the Facebook pixel itself. For example, you might have someone who clicks on your ad and then goes home to their other computer and ends up completing the conversion. So the problem there is you're not going to get the proper attribution. What you can do through creating an event set is do an export of your customer data into a CSV file, upload that to Facebook, and you'll be able to attribute those people that your Facebook pixel cannot. And it's super important because you're going to be able to work out more conversion data for your campaigns, your audiences, and your ads, which means you're going to have more data to quickly do the optimization to figure out what's getting you the best return on investment. Be it they call, be it they switch computer, whatever it is, you're going to have that purchase data to match up from the offline or untrackable source.